Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to get the shapeshifter filter on TikTok. So let's start. First open the TikTok app. When the app is open you have to tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and search for shapeshifter. And you'll see suggestions of shapeshifter filter. Now tap on a video. And here you will see the filter is mentioned. Now you have to tap on shapeshift. You can add this filter to your favorites by tapping on Add to Favorites. Now to start using the filter you have to tap on the camera button. But first you have to select a picture. I'll just quickly select one. And then you have to tap on the record button to start recording. Then tap on the tick icon on the right hand side. Then tap next on bottom right corner. And then tap on post. And that is how you can get and use the shapeshifter filter on TikTok. So if this video helped you out then don't forget to leave a like and I'll see you in the next tutorial.